Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Today here actually in Texas, the temperature, it was cloudy and we actually got rain today, guys. And it went up to 86 degrees and right now I believe it's 76 degrees, so it's nice and cool. Hopefully it'll stay that way. And I think we're supposed to get lots of rain next week, but you know how it is, it changes. We'll never know. Anyway, so today we're going to do an unboxing from a company called The One with the Diamond Art. I learned about this company from Miranda from Diamond with the Besties. She's awesome. So I'd like to say thank you, Miranda, for letting me know about this wonderful company. Okay, so let's see what I ordered. I believe I ordered this the beginning of August. So I wrote down the name, The One with the Diamond Art. Comes with this white box, nicely wrapped. I believe I ordered, I think, first week of August and arrived yesterday. So it took like, I don't know, 12 or 13 days to get here, which is not bad at all. Okay. All right, let's see what we have here. They also sell all kinds of accessories. They sell pens, diamond paintings, of course, drills, and more. And all their canvases are very high quality, very, very soft back. And as you can see, it has scallop edges. And I believe they're poured glue adhesive also. All right, so it comes as here, The One with the Diamond Art. So let's open this up. Gently, gently, gently. There you go. Let's see what's in here. The drills. Ooh, okay. So let's look at the little kit here. So we have a very, very pretty washi tip. Oh my God, it's adorable. Let's see if you can see that. I don't know if they're little clouds. I don't know. It looks like a cat, maybe. Dog. It's just very, very pretty. I like the little bag. Okay, comes with very sharp tweezers. Very nice. With washi. It comes with the wax in a container. More wax, the pen, and the grip for the pen. I usually call it a scrunchie. The placers and a tray. Okay, the usual, guys. All right, so let's put this aside and let's look at the canvas. Oops, I don't want to drop anything. All right. By the way, all the paintings are legally licensed, which is great. And you get to also, it lets you pick the size and also the drill type. All right, so this one is called, oh, there's a little card here. Thanks from Meg and Kathy, The One with the Diamond Art, our community. So they're on Facebook also, guys. Very shiny. It's a very shiny card. Very pretty. I like the colors. I can't remember what I ordered. Wow. This is big. It's long. Oh my gosh. I thought it was going to be smaller, but this is actually very, very long, guys. Okay, so on the top, it says The One with the Diamond Art. And this one is actually called Mermaid with Butterflies. I ordered the 40 centimeter by 80 centimeter. Okay, there goes the picture. Hopefully it's not blurry. She's surrounded by beautiful butterflies. And it looks like it's got the legend. Oh, okay, so it's on both sides. So you have it on the right-hand side on the top. And it has these pretty diamonds. See that? On the canvas. And then it's got the picture here also, which is, oh, I love that. And it's got a legend at the bottom on the left-hand side. And in the bottom it tells you it's called Mermaid with Butterflies by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. That's the artist, okay? The shape is round diamonds, and it's a 40 by 80 centimeters. And then in the bottom here, it's, I guess you can find them if you need any help on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, and this is where you get them, the one with the diamondart.com. Okay, let's see how sticky this is. Wow. This is very nice, guys. Very, very clear and very colorful. I love it. I should have gotten the smaller one because this is long. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's look at her. By the way, guys, the drills are resin drills. Okay. All right. So let's see how clear she is. Can you see that? See her eyes? And like I mentioned before, guys, this has 40 colors. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs. Wow. 6 ABs. And look at how pretty she is, guys. She's got long hair. I don't know. I guess that's what do you call these? They look like little sand castles in the ocean. Then the butterflies. She's got a nice, looks like a little bathing suit. And then more butterflies all the way down here. And it's very, very colorful. It's very long. Okay, so you could actually pick this one. I believe it was, you could pick 30 by 60 or 40 by 80, 50 by 100 or 60 by 120. So that would be super huge. All right, I just love, love, love her eyes, and I love the butterflies. Okay. And of course a tail. So let's look at the drills. So this is my first time ordering from this company. I like that you can get to choose, guys, the size, and also when you pick, you can pick the drill type. So you can either pick round or square, or round with ABs or square with ABs. I ordered the round with ABs. Okay, this is the paper that it comes with, and what you do with this, guys, you can turn these into stickers. You cut them out, turn them into stickers, and you can stick these to your container. Okay. All right, let me take out the colors, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I laid out all the colors, and I can't believe there's no 310s in here. But if you look, it's got a lot of 939. It's like dark, dark blue. And then it's got a lot of 561. And that's it's a green. And so this painting looks like it has lots of blues, in the blue family, and lots of greens. Who likes blues and green? Moi. Yeah. And it's got that beautiful sage color that I like. 523. That's sage. And it's got purple, orange, pink, browns, but mostly it's blues and greens. Okay, so now let's look at the ABs. Okay, let us begin with the ABs. All right, so we have 208. It's a purple. It's a dark purple, very shiny. You got 210. It's just a lighter purple. 666. It's red. And then you have 740. It's in orange. Not too many of those. 762. It's like a very pretty gray. And a very pretty yellow. It's 973. So these are the 6 ABs. So now we're going to look for those 6 ABs, guys. Let's see. Where are they? On the canvas. Okay. So the first one is 208, and when you look at the legend, 208, it looks like a parentheses. So we just look for purple and parentheses. Aha, I already found it, guys. It's right here. And it looks like this one is the other one, the triangle, right? Triangle, because it has that light purple. Yep. So it's on the butterfly. So you've got the dark purple and the light purple. And let's see, are there any more? And of course it's sprinkled over here, this one, the darker purple, and some on her outfit. And okay, that looks like a bit about it. Now let's look at this one. This one is, if you look at the legend, it looks like an M. So it's down here on her tail. Yep, on her tail. And you have some on the butterfly. and some over here. So wherever you see red, it's so long that I'm dropping the, okay. Hoping you can see that. A beautiful tail. She's got a gorgeous tail, by the way, guys. Okay, and then the orange is, I don't even know, it looks like the end, like an end table. Let's see. Where are you? Where are you? And there we go, I dropped it. Let me just move this aside. Sorry, guys. Move this over here. What do we say? Orange, orange. Okay, it's right here. That's in the, also on the other butterfly. Orange butterfly. And any on her tail? Nope. Okay. And then you have this one is the gray one. Very pretty gray, by the way. It's like the lowercase a. Lowercase a. Let's see. Where are you? Oh. Nope, that's 6. Is it on the eyes? Nope. Okay, so it looks like it's on her face and her hair, because I see lots of lower a case. I mean the lowercase a there. Do we see any on her body down here? Yeah. You see some on her arms. So it's scattered. It looks like it's on her, some on her face, some on her hair, and some on her arms. And then yellow. And the yellow is the letter D, lowercase d. And this is, I see it right here. It's on her tail and some on the butterfly. So, I mean, this is going to look spectacular, guys. The butterflies are going to look super shiny. And her tail, and if you want to add some more ABs, you could. I would probably maybe on her eyes, maybe some on her eyes. So she's gonna look beautiful, guys. Okay, so that's about it, guys. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye bye.